Hi everyone, welcome to my Optimum Health God's Way YouTube channel. Today we are going to look at the incredible benefits of daily or regular exercise, which is one of God's important health principles. I wish I could bottle the health benefits up or put it in capsules to help as many people as possible with their health problems. Would you like to improve your sleep, your appetite, or your digestion, or your gut health? Would you like to lose weight? Would you like to reduce your stress and pain? Would you like to strengthen your bones, your muscles, and your tissues? Would you like to boost your energy, your brain, and your immune system to prevent you from getting sick easily or from chronic diseases? If so, buckle up. Let's dive into today's topic. Now let's look at why we need to exercise. Nowadays, with all the TV, tablets, social media, computer, and all, even children, when you ask them to run around and play or to exercise, they would say, why? Now let's look at why we need to exercise. Exercise is an important part of a healthy lifestyle to prevent health problems, improve mood, maintain healthy weight, in short, to help us live longer, happier, and healthier. Have you heard of a body in motion stays in motion? I really could identify with it, because when I broke my ankle and I didn't go through surgery, it took longer to get healed. So for over a year, I didn't use my ankle. When I started to learn to walk again, it was so stiff and so hard to move. And exercise helps improve your muscles, tissues, and bone strength, and helps boost your mood, concentration, alertness, endurance, helps improve your blood circulation. When your circulation is good, your oxygen and the nutrients are being supplied effectively to the cells in the whole body. On top of that, your waste will be dumped efficiently on time due to the excellent circulation. The waste will be sent to different eliminative organs for elimination. As a result, when your oxygen and nutrients are being supplied effectively, you have more energies. Exercise helps burn calories, reduce fat, so helps you lose weight, and helps improve your sleep. Normally after exercise, we fall asleep faster, we sleep better and longer. And when our sleep is good, normally it helps reduce our stress. And it helps with our digestion and helps reduce pain. Because when your waste is stagnant in your cells, that's when you have pain. So exercise is the best antidote to pain. Let's look at negative effects of inactivity or not exercising or not having a regular exercise. When we spend time with cell phone, TVs, computer, or social media, it is so enticing and mesmerizing that sometimes before we know it, it's already an hour, 2 hours or more that we are on the social media. So we don't like to move much anymore. It causes us to be lazy, to be harder to move around. So it makes us gain weight and have weakened bones. When we don't use it, we lose it. Yes, when we don't exercise, we lose mineral content in the bones. So nowadays we heard about a lot of people would slip and fall because of their weaker bones and have osteoporosis because of their thin bone density, and it causes increased risk of chronic disease like heart problem, high blood pressure problem, diabetes, and cancer. Can you imagine? Because of inactivity, we gain weight, we have weakened bones, chronic diseases. Of course, it causes depression and anxiety, and it causes poor circulation. That means our oxygen and nutrients are not efficiently supplied, not being supplied on time, and then our waste would be stagnant. in the cells because of poor circulation, so it causes more inflammation and pain. It also causes hormonal imbalance like mood swing, easily agitated, skin problems like psoriasis, acne, eczema, causes bloating, constipation, diarrhea, infertility, hot flashes, and it weakens our immune system. So when we have poor immune system, it causes us to get sick easily and causes musculoskeletal disorders. So we have problems in the muscles, bones, joints, tendons, and nerves because of the inactivity, and then more mortality rate. That means we live shorter. Hopefully it alarms us. Hopefully it motivates us to exercise more. Now let's look at the benefits of exercise. There are several benefits of exercise. I categorize them into 3 categories: physical health benefits, mental health benefits, and weight loss benefits. Exercise helps boost energy and improves heart and lungs function and reduces risk of disease because it helps promote immune system and strengthen our bones, muscles, and tissues, and improves our balance and movement, so less slipping and less falling, and improves our guts and improves our sleep, appetite, digestion, and reduces pain and improves our skin and helps maintain a balance of hormones, so improves our sex health. And mental health. Exercise helps improves mood, so it reduces depression and anxiety and increases energy in the brain, better memory, better concentration, and quicker learning, and reduces stress, so helps improves immune function and helps us have less negative thoughts but more positive thoughts. And like to exercise with others, you have more social support too. Let's look at weight loss benefit. It helps burn calories, so helps you lose weight, feel lighter, happier, more fit, and more satisfied with yourself. And now let's look at kinds of exercises. There are many kinds of exercises, but I pick only 5 that are more useful with incredible health benefits most people can do. Walking is simple and effective, but it helps improve heart and lung functions, helps burn calories, and helps with metabolism, breaking down of either food, fat, and poison and all, and helps strengthen muscles, improves balance, reduces slip and falls and fractures, and lubricate joints. So less pain and less stress and less anxiety. It improves mood, cognitive functions, and regulates sugar. So helps with your diabetes, promotes your overall well-being. Let's look at swimming. Fun and effective with lots of health benefits too. It helps improve your heart function, tone, and strengthen your muscles, and helps strengthen your joints, and helps you to be more flexible, and improves your mood, reduces your stress, improves your sleep and cognitive function. Now let's look at rebounding. Exercising on trampoline. It is enjoyable, also very good in promoting our health. It helps improve our heart, blood flow, and strengthens our bones and muscles. Especially helps with the density and the growth of our bones, and helps boost immune system, improves mood, digestion, and bowel movement. And gardening and hiking are very, very good exercise too. Now let's look at some good and helpful advice on exercise to help us gain maximum benefits out of our exercise. Best place to exercise is in the open fresh air or in a room with lots of indoor plants and good ventilation. The best time to exercise when the sun is not too hot. So for example, in spring and summer, early morning is the best time to exercise. In winter and in fall, early evening before temperature drops. Pick or find the kind of exercise you enjoy so that it will motivate you to keep exercising long term. Remember that a gentle stretching and deep breathing is crucial and beneficial for your health. Begin and end your exercise with some gentle stretching and breathe through your nose, because when you breathe through your nose, you filter, you heat, and humidify the air you breathe in to prevent you from infection. And begin your exercise gradually with a minimum of 30 minutes a day. Then gradually increase the pace of your exercise and the length of your exercise. Useful manual labor like gardening, lawn mowing are also very, very worthwhile, good physical exercises. For people with limitation, be it physical or cognitive, or any other limitations that would cause them not to be able to exercise like others, it is vital that they make use of massage, which is passive exercise, because massage helps improve circulation and helps boost immune system too. Friends, spiritually too, it's important we exercise our faith. Like physical exercise helps improve circulation, strengthening and improving, helping our body parts grow. Spiritually too, when we exercise our faith, it helps with our spiritual circulation, that is, our relationship, communion, and connection with the heavenly host, Heavenly Father. The more we exercise, the stronger our faith becomes. And the more we exercise, the more our faith increase, improve, and grow. So friends, I would like to leave you with 3 John 2. Beloved, I wish above all things that you may prosper and be in health as your soul prospers. Bye for now until my next video, the importance of sunshine for your health. God bless.